हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू भारतना's बायोलॉजी क्लासेस। मैं हूँ रत्ना सिन्हा एंड टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट इथिलीन और ईथीन। Let us know what is ethylene. It is a simple gaseous phytohormone. It is prepared by the breakdown of methionine. Methionine is a type of amino acid. It is produced by the cells undergoing senescence, aging and ripening fruits. Regarding the discovery of ethylene, Cousins confirmed the release of volatile substance from ripened oranges that hasten the ripening of stored unripened banana. Later on, this volatile substance was identified as ethylene, a gaseous plant growth regulator. Now let us study about the functions of ethylene. One by one, we will come to know about the functions of ethylene. It promotes senescence in plants, that is, it promotes aging in plant. It also causes ripening of the fruits. It helps in increasing the petiole internodal elongation in deep water rice plant. Let us study that during the cultivation of paddy, the seedlings are totally submerged in water. And if the seedlings are totally submerged in water, if it is provided by ethylene, elongation causes the leaves to come out of the water. Elongation causes the leaves to come out of the water due to the elongation of petiole only. The leaves can come up above the water only by the elongation of petiole. If the leaves come above the water, better photosynthesis will occur and the storage of the food will occur. Now next is, it breaks seed and bud dormancy. It initiates germination in peanut seeds. Peanut means groundnut. It promotes sprouting of potato tubers. If it promotes the sprouting of the potato tuber, it makes the farmer easy for the cultivation of the potato, because the eyes of the potato starts growing and now it is the time to sow these potato for the vegetative propagation. It also shows triple response. Triple response means horizontal growth seedlings, swelling of the axis, apical hook formation in dicot seedlings. All these triple response promotes the anchorage of the root in the soil, and if the roots are anchored in a better way, then there will be more and more absorption of nutrients in the water. Next is, it initiates flowering and synchronizing the fruit set in pineapples. It also induces flowering in mango. Next is, its effect is respiratory climactic, effective in fruit ripening. It enhances the respiration during the ripening of the fruit. This rise in the rate of respiration is called respiratory climactic. Now we will study euthyphon. Euthyphon, what is euthyphon? It is an aqueous solution which gets easily and quickly absorbed by the plant. And it starts releasing ethylene gradually. Absorption by the plant takes place quickly, but the release of the ethylene occurs gradually. It causes artificial ripening of the fruit. If we pluck, in order to understand the euthyphon, let us take an example. A raw fruit is plucked from the garden, and if treated with euthyphon, so then it starts releasing ethylene and it causes the fruit to ripen. In natural form, if the ethylene is released, the ripening occurs from the inside part of the fruit to the outside. But in artificial manner, if we are providing ethylene, then the ripening occurs from outside to inside. Let us take an example. If a farmer is treating the banana with euthyphon, what happens? We see that the peel of the banana is totally yellow in color, but the inside part of the banana is sometimes unripened, means वो कच्चा रह जाता है. तो euthyphon euthyphon hastens the fruit ripening. Euthyphon also hastens the abscission in flower, and flower gets removed from the plant. Euthyphon causes abscission in fruits, thinning of cotton, cherry and walnut. If it causes the thinning of the cotton, cherry and walnut, it makes easy for the farmer because during the process of thinning, the cotton, cherry, walnut, it gets plucked down very easily, and that can be handpicked by the farmers. Ethifone promotes flowering in cucumber and thereby increasing the yield. If in a garden more and more female flowers are present and less male flower is present, then what will happen? The pollination will be aided by the male flower, and if more female flowers are present, more fertilization will occur and more fruit formation, and finally it will increase the yield of the fruit. It means that the production of the cucumber will suddenly get enhanced due to the treatment of Ethifone.